Hello everyone. Today, let's check out some everyday phrases moms say to their children.
Wake up, baby. Wake up, baby.
Let's mommy comb your hair. Let's mommy comb your hair.
Eat your food. Eat your food. Put your toys away. Put your toys away.
Stop crying, don't interrupt me. Stop crying, don't interrupt me.
Are you hurt? Are you hurt?
Let me help you brush your teeth. Let me help you brush your teeth.
Don't play with the knife. Don't play with the knife.
Be careful, don't touch it. Be careful, don't touch it.
Don't run downstairs. Don't run downstairs.
Do your homework. Do your homework.
Finish your meal. Finish your meal. Share with your sister. Share with your sister.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Stop jumping on the bed. Stop jumping on the bed.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Can you help me? Can you help me? I love you. I love you.
Go take a shower. Go take a shower.
Time to school, goodbye. Time to school, goodbye.
Time to sleep. Time to sleep.
Night-night. Night-night.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.